Replacing humans with AI is going terribly wrong. In the past few years, the world has been chasing one bold idea: that artificial intelligence can replace human workers. Big corporations promised faster production, fewer mistakes, and unlimited profits. But reality, it's far messier than anyone expected. From Tesla's robot meltdown to Taco Bell's failed AI drive-thru.
Your number 12 combo.
Why does it says $147? Why does it say that?
What drink would you like for your number 12 combo?
Bro, what the Give me a team member.
And Fiverr's automation-driven job cuts. One thing is clear, that replacing humans with AI is going terribly wrong. In 2018, Tesla attempted one of the most ambitious manufacturing experiments in the auto industry. A factory run nearly entirely by robots. Elon Musk believed that automation would let Tesla scale rapidly, letting machines build the machine. But things went badly wrong. Tesla failed to hit its Model 3 production targets. Reports say they were producing far fewer cars per week than promised. Musk later admitted publicly that their over-automation was a critical mistake. On X, he wrote, "Yes, excessive automation at Tesla was a mistake. To be precise, my mistake. Humans are underrated." In a televised interview, he added, "We had this crazy, complex network of conveyor belts, and it was not working. So we got rid of that whole thing." What caused the failure? Robots weren't flexible. Many robotic systems couldn't adapt to small variations in parts, leading to misalignments and breakdowns. Poor maintenance planning. Tesla underestimated how often machines would fail and how much maintenance they would need. According to academic analysis, their predictive maintenance processes were not strong enough, which led to repeated machine failures. Over complex automation design, the system was too ambitious. The alien dreadnought concept, a heavily automated assembly system, proved too complex, and early on, systems broke down more than they worked. As a fix, Tesla scaled back automation in parts of the factory. They built a temporary production line, sometimes called a sprung structure, essentially a large tent outside or adjacent to the main plant, to house manual assembly operations. They also brought more human workers back to the assembly line, relying on people to handle tasks that robots couldn't execute reliably. This move was more than a stopgap. It helped Tesla stabilize production. While the company was under significant financial pressure, the hybrid line humans plus machines allowed them to scale up more reliably than their fully automated vision had permitted. Musk's admission of error became a turning point. Tesla had to accept that automation without humans was not the path to success. In 2024, Taco Bell made headlines with an ambitious plan. AI-powered drive-thrus that could take your order faster than any human. At first, it looked like the future of fast food, but soon, things took a hilarious and costly turn. Customers began trolling the AI. Some ordered 18,000 cups of water. Others spoke in accents or slang the system couldn't recognize. The result? Chaos. Orders mixed up. Lines stretched longer. Frustrated customers filmed everything for social media. The AI system couldn't handle background noise, sarcasm, or humor. Instead of saving time, it created more problems. Eventually, Taco Bell scaled the project back, quietly putting humans back in control. Taco Bell's chief digital officer, Dane Matthews, admitted, "Sometimes it lets me down, but sometimes it really surprises me." Their experiment proved one simple truth: customer service still needs a human touch. Fiverr, when AI adoption creates human and economic problems. While Tesla and Taco Bell faced technical problems with AI, Fiverr shows a different issue: the human impact when AI replaces workers. In 2024 and 2025, Fiverr shifted heavily toward AI automation. As part of this transition, the company laid off nearly 30% of its employees, around 250 people. They also introduced more AI tools that automated tasks like writing, design, coding, and customer support. CEO Misha Kaufman said openly, "AI is coming for your jobs. Heck, it's coming for my job too." He also warned that anyone who doesn't adapt to AI risks being left behind. The problem wasn't a technical failure. The AI tools worked. The issue was the economic and human fallout. Thousands of freelancers saw their orders drop. AI tools competed directly with entry-level human workers. Internal layoffs created instability. Many freelancers felt the platform was working against them. Entire categories of creative work became saturated with AI-generated content. Fiverr's situation highlights a growing reality. Even when AI works perfectly, it can disrupt the jobs and income of the very people who depend on digital platforms. Tesla shows that full automation can fail technically. Taco Bell shows that AI can struggle with real-world communication. Fiverr shows that replacing humans with AI can create economic and human consequences, even when the technology works. Across every example, one message keeps coming up. AI is powerful, but it isn't a full replacement for human workers. Humans bring flexibility, judgment, and experience. Things AI still cannot match consistently. The future isn't humans versus AI, it's humans working with AI.